Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown here, Guns and Drums. And today we're looking at a 1967 Browning humpback shotgun. Yes, the traditional Browning Auto 5. This is a great specimen, a 1967. You can see how the wood's crackled a little bit. Just like the finish on a fine vintage guitar. It says Sweet 16 right here. Some real nice scrolling work on a little portrait of John Browning himself right there. And like I said, this is a 1967 model. So this is quite the Cadillac of shotguns here. Let's take a look at the other side of it. This was John Brown's baby, and he first started making them in 1902, and he gave Winchester a shot at it. That didn't work out. He gave Remington a shot at it. That didn't work out, so Fabrique Nationale in Belgium ended up building them, and you can see that they built them very well. A gold trigger, which is the Browning trademark. Why they call it a humpback? Because of the hump. And the A-5 because it holds 5 shotgun shells. Let's shoot this bad boy. The A-5 Browning works on the long recoil system, which means this barrel pushes the bolt back every time. So it's important to keep it well lubricated right here. The Browning A-5 is called the A-5 because it holds 5 shotgun shells, 4 in the tube and 1 in the cylinder. But this one came with a plug, a Belgian plug. I took it out. I'll be putting it back in before I return the shotgun to its rightful owner. But that's what it looks like. Bobby Brown Sweet 16 slug ballistics test into the barrel. Bobby Brown here, roughly 25 gallons of water straight down from up there with the 16 gauge slug. Let's see what we can recover. I see one right there. Ooh, this water's cold. Oh yeah, baby, like prospecting for gold. That's a nice hunk of lead right there. I seen the other one over here somewhere. Oh, maybe that's just a frag. Just a frag. Let's see. I don't see the other slug. I don't feel a hole yet either. You know, that 44 put a hole in it. There's another. Oh, there it is. Excellent. Bobby Brown here shooting some 16 gauge slugs into the water ballistics tank. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Sweet 16 Browning. An awesome shotgun, an awesome shooter. Keep it pointed in a safe direction. Catch you next time.